Okay, let's start. So let's just like go through the objectives very quickly. Okay, so for one, it's like probably getting 2 in 12 side die, which is 12, 2 out of 12. The second one is just like answer the question, which is like 8 out of 12, which is 0.67. And it also chance. So the chance would be here, like just go look at the scale. So it's like in between, so it's like kind of likely, slightly likely. Here the complement, so I have like all the formulas here, so like look at the formulas here. So complement is 1 minus the probability, so it's like this. The probability A is, so pretty much like for the complement, the probability complement is 1 minus probability A, like that. Or if you had probability like complement of B, it would just be 1 minus probability B. Okay. And you can like try these questions like out yourself. So here B is 30 over 71. So complement is 1 minus 30 over 71, which is 41 over 71. Okay, and here just like go through the worksheet. So like the yellow, the purple, and the green, like it's like all here. So in this worksheet, so the one we did before. It's like go through it. If you can, like try do all the questions, like and like make sure to check your answers. So like yesterday you were like getting some like answered it wrong. So be careful, okay? So like double check your answers here. My here said like all the male viewers. So make sure to add this and this, like all the male viewers. So it's out of all the male. Okay. For question 7 and question 9, just like look at this. I have like everything here. And yeah, copy that down. Just copy it from there. And questions like 8 is like about sample space. So just make sure to use curly like brackets again. Use curly brackets for sample space. And probably like okay. So yeah, like this. This is like curly brackets. Not like that. Okay, so here when you roll a 12-sided die, you get the sample space of this 1, 2, 3, 4, so 9, 10, 11, 12, like curly brackets. Okay. 10. So it's the outcome tables. So pretty much first row, which is this, and first column, which is this, represent each possible outcome of represent possible outcomes of each event. So outcome tables like show us the sample space. So over here, if you had like 2 die, you rolled a 1 die, you got 1 in the first like throw. In the other throw, you got 1 again. It would be like 1 and 1. If you got if you rolled 2 on the first like die throw, no, I mean yeah, if you rolled 2 on the first throw, and you roll 3 on the second throw, it would be like this, 2 and 3, like that. Okay. 11, yeah, just like go through the worksheet, which we did like here's like in lessons. Question 12. So also yeah, question 11 is like with and without replacement. So it's like the topic you like struggle with. So like just go through this example. So if you have 5 balls right now, and you like take 1 ball out without replacement, take a black ball out. In total, you have 4 left now. The black balls you have left is 3 minus 1 because you took out 1 and you don't put it back. So without replacement means that you don't put it back. So we 3 minus 1, it's just 2 balls left, 2 black balls left. And the total yellow, so you don't touch the yellow. You only took out a black. You did not take out a yellow. So it's 2, 2, you're same. So 2 out of 4 here. There's 4 left. That's the first section. If you kept going, if you took out like a yellow ball, now it'd be the total left is 4 minus 1. You got 4 left and took out 1 more, so it's 4 minus 1. 3 left. A total black left. You don't like touch the black from the first section. So the black here, which is 2, stays the same, and yellow here, because you took out one yellow, is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So the probability would be, for second section, it would be 1 out of 3. Because you have 3 left now, and you have 1 yellow left. Okay. And here you just like apply, for 12, just apply the idea of without replacement and with replacement to the tables. So with replacement, with means you put the ball back in. So here, for the first section, the balls left would still be 5. So here's 5. If you took out a black ball and you put it back in, it will still be 5. Yeah, okay. And here, just do the worksheet for this one. Yeah, just skip that, it's fine. Or, I'm not sure, you can just like look at this, but I think you're fine, hopefully, with that. Question 16, we like went through it, it's like right here. Just go down. Like it was like, just make sure to like double check your answers and read properly. Here, just like, so stem and leaf, make sure to have a key. So like 1, 2 means equals 12, like that. Question 20, like understand frequency. So we did that, frequency tables. So here, question 21, as a percent, it means like this. So calculate percent of frequency of 4. So how many 4s do we have here? 3. How many like total like values do we have here? We have like 17. So 3 out of 17 times 100, which is 17.65% frequency. That's pretty much it. That's 21 done. 22, we did that. 23, yeah, did that. 24 did that. 24. Just go here again. Actually, no, I say, yeah, so go lessons worksheet. So go down and scroll down. You can like find everything about the question. You can find like everything about this. Everything about 24 and 25. Question 26, are the notes all like all here? So just go here. So here you go. So shape, like how it looks. Standard is like median and spread is like range, I guess. Like from min to max. Like 1 to 9. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So like let's go through the test like quickly. So I think you did, I think it should be easy for you, hopefully. Also, for the cross-out method, I just mean like this, because we were doing this before. So you can like use that method to find the median. Also here, it says how many students, like it doesn't say the probability of students. So it's like not asking probability. So don't say 25 out of like the 120, because it's like 120 total, right? So don't say 120, 25 out of 120, say just 25 students. So 25 students. Also here, so in total, 80 play soccer, but because 40 play both, so you would do 80 minus 40 to find this like small number here. Okay. Also use a calculator like all the time, like whenever you can. Okay, and for the stem and leaf, always have a key, okay? So here the key would be 2 line 3 equals 23. So you can see here, like that. Okay. Also 2 decimal places. And make sure to have a key again, like that. Look at the example here. That's what a key means. Okay, for this question. So we have 3 coins and flip them at the same time. So 3 coins means 3 sections. So each toss means 1 section. So like 3 toss, I guess. because we flip them at the same time. So each coin is flipped. Okay. So that's like three tosses or like three coins. So one section, one line, two section, two lines, and then three sections like three lines. Oh yes, and like just like read the notes here. Okay. And don't like forget the key. If you have like two here, if you have two people, like a beer assembly, you like have the key like this. Like 7 and 8, like 7 line 8 and 7 line 9. So it means 79 for James, 78 for Maria, like that. Also for you, like just double check your like answers because you got like wrong. So be careful, okay, for finding mean and median. Also for you, just read this. So symmetrical means the mode, median, like mean are the same. So here that's like not the case. So it's kind of skewed. So you would say skewed, not symmetrical. Because you said symmetrical before, which is like wrong. So here, intervals of like 3 says here. And what that means is 0 to 2, 3 to 5. Because from 0 to 2 we have 3 numbers. That's why it says like intervals of 3. If from here, if we have 0 to 3, 0 to 3, we have 4 numbers like between them, right? Between 0 and 3. So it would be intervals of 4. If we had 5 numbers like in between them, like 0 to 5, 0 to 4, that's 5 numbers in between. So intervals of 5. Again, yeah, percent frequency, you can like do that. So we have 435, 4 threes, and like 11 values. So it's 3 out of 11, 4 out of 11 times 100, which is the answer. Okay. Okay, here, so it's from 10 to 13 because the start of each interval, it's different to the table here. This is random. So here's 10 to 12, 10 to 15. Here is 10 to 13 and 13 to 16 because the start of each, like that. Okay. Okay, here it says number of students. Okay, so you would say 19 students on the property. Okay, and here says percent of students. You would say 26.67% of students. Like make sure to like mention the students again. If it says off sheet, you would say off sheet. Okay, here just like follow the steps again, pretty much. That's done. So also like in the table, when you're like making a table, like make sure to have like the units in the brackets, like close to the word, like here. So if you had like mass instead here, like mass instead, and mass was in kg, you would have like that, kg, like that. Okay. Or here, and here in the answer key, it should be 21.5, not 20.5. And don't forget the units again, like, yeah. Like kg, L, minutes, percent. Don't forget the units. And use the keywords, use words in the question. So like commuting times, like use a word commuting times here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? Take care, goodbye. Good luck for your exam. Just like review everything here for your notes. Like everything is here. So like all the formulas and stuff. Okay, good luck, goodbye.